funny when you keep up and dig it down, everything is yellow. 6-0-0-19, Big Island, everywhere. Opens up
Nice 019 over there. Hi, Bluegill, Riverside, Southern Farm. Back out here reading the mail. DW, we're hearing you back there too. Back out here listening.
Palm Springs, California. I'm my little weak mobile, right?
All right, you be good, be safe. Old Bluegill back out here listening.
From your ego is writing checks your body can't cash. From your ego is writing checks your body can't cash.
Duck Runner waving a hand right back that way too.
Hey, did I hear that California's opened up now? 001 Mobile, Palm Springs. Hey, send one of those big radios out here to 001 Mobile. I'd like to hear a big radio too out here in Palm Springs. 001 Mobile, I'm back out.
No, that's fucked up.
Back to 449 Gold Digger.
That was a duck hunter call.
And thank you for the hello. Have a good one.
I think we'll have a truck pump in there, man. You got that blowing all over you. Yeah, man. Hey, D, I hope you ain't got the wrong like that with your call. In the fucking motherfucker.
Ah, man, I'm making the dogs go crazy.
You got a place full of
round 21.
All right, bud. Have a good day. Somebody out there with a big hammer tuning up. I don't know what's going on. Somebody out there 1095 and doing a good job, man. Making everybody sound like Donald Duck. Duck Hunter, Bean, I'll see you. Bye-bye. Nice. Thanks. You're doing a bang-up job yourself, man. Sounding real good. Duck Hunter, your friend down on the border. Working Border Patrol on the steel fence. I'll see you. I'm sorry, Bayou Boy. Good Lord, man. You guys both sound pretty much alike, man. If I sit there and talk to you, I can figure it out, because you're a little rougher with your language than he is.
Sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please hang up and try your call again.
10-4 on that. I know exactly what you're saying. Kind of end up finishing sentences off the same ways, making the same types of comments when you mean the same things, and I know exactly what you're saying. Oh, you're right. Hello, 1229 in the BYU. That's right. I'll be like the guys up on the hill for a second. I'll say 4 Roger, right on.
Gotta be careful. Oh, no doubt.
Oh, you're driving at a good speed. You're driving at a good enough speed that you're throwing that RF down here around San Diego. Hello out there, 289. Boy, oh boy, man, you're down there, though. You ain't got a whole lot of Mother Nature right now. 289, I do hear you in there, man. You have yourself a good one. Hey, get your friend on Facebook. I'll see you. That was all you. I didn't hear anybody else keying, though. That was all you. There was somebody underneath you, but it wasn't nobody of consequence. Hey, 289, Bean with the wave. I see you.
7 and I just got
Trees right out there in the wheat fields. Deacon, good Lord, man, it's been a long time. Deacon, how you been, man?
Hey, Bayou Boy.
No complaints on this end. At least 40 reasons worked and paying the bills. Well, I'll tell you what, you got that thing sounding so good. Kudos to you. sounding top shelf on this end. It's a little west, but I like what I'm hearing. Deacon, your friend down on the TJ border. I'll see you.
Dynamite with the small key. They call me Black Dynamite working this Uncle 29 bomb. Black Dynamite just went down.
Bye. Bye, Deacon, while you're working that trashy tram and sounding top shelf in the southwest corner. I'll see you. Bye, 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 bye.
Dirty red, dirty red, dirty red. You guys are making too much noise around the coast again.
Who is that, DW? Check 4 there, DW, man. I don't got the best on the phone, but I did hear your voice and I recognized it. That's the only way I got it. Hey, DW, doing a good job, man. I've been listening to you all afternoon, off and on. DW, your friend down on the steel fence where it meets the water in the southwest corner. I'll see you.
Receive, man. Anybody you know Black Dynamite call him quick off.
DW, a blessed day to you, my friend, a pleasure. DW, Bean in the southwest. I'll see you. Bye-bye. Hey, Double Deuce, I don't got the best on you, man, but I definitely hear you in there, and I'm waving your way, no doubt. There, Double Deuce. Have yourself a blessed rest of the week, what's left, and a great weekend. I'll see you. First part better. I guess my lost cause Barefoot Radio's got no kind of Barefoot Radio. You know, when I was up in Disneyland the other day, me and my brothers looked at each other watching that World of Lights, or whatever it is, where those lights with the water spouts and all that, man, all those fluorescent colors and stuff, man. That was the first thought that came to our heads. You have a good one. I'll see you. Hello out there, 456 in the Mag Bean with the wave right back. Cruising the streets of Bakersfield, what time? job. You made it without any speed bumps on the way, man. You shot it right on through. 456 sounding all kinds of good in Bean's radio. No two ways about it. Bean waving right back. I'll see you.
Take a little strain out of it. How about you 24/7 lost cause trying to wave right back?
All right, you're 456. You still drinking? Drink one for me, man. I'm coming up on 16 sober. I'll see you. Bye. Bye.
6 double knuckles. 6
Tommy Small Station right downtown.
Hey, 24/7. I hear you out there, man, but it's not real good. There's a lot of men there coming in there with you, but I'm definitely waving a hand right back to you. Lost cause, evergreen gone.
Alright there, DW, man. I'll throw double border patrol tomorrow, man. Checking green cards and visas and only letting the right ones come through. You guys all have a good one? Bean in the Southwest. I'm going to shut down here in a minute, man. I have one more person out there that was calling me. I'm going to try and get him back in my radio. I can't figure out who it was. I think it was 185. String bean, but string bean, the bean is spelled with 2 E's. Second word, San Diego, all one word. String bean, space, San Diego. Gen 4.
Brian, thank you, sir.
Well, I've kind of put on a little weight, but I'm almost 6'2". I used to be about, around 205, 210, and now I'm probably up around 230. So that's just part of it. I used to run around with a buddy of mine that used to call Butterbean after the fighter because he liked to feed. He just liked to feed. He liked to fight. So me and him running around together, they called him Butterbean and me String Bean because when they called us the Bean Brothers. I'll see you. All right.
Man, me and my knife down, stuck up on the shin. Back out.
Doggone, that friend of mine, Steven, that I used to work with, that they call Butterbean, that guy couldn't go to the bar and drink one beer without getting in a fight. So that's where it all came from. Then they called us the Bean Brothers. I'll see you.
String bean, man. I heard string bean.
Well, Twister, I'm going to have to roll this thing up there. I have to look at my chart, man. I haven't came over that far. Let's see where I'm at. I should be right around 35, and I should be right on you right about now. Twister, 24/7, my friend. Bean with the wave right back. Doggone it anyhow, man. It's pretty doggone rough out there, Twister. I've been hearing bits and pieces of you throughout the afternoon, man. Every time I hear your name, I jump on the radio and I say something. I was coming home, I was in my four-wheeler. I tried to get in there. I don't know if you heard me or not, but I'm sure you're hearing me now. But I just can't get you back in my radio because there's just too much doggone traffic.
Top of the evening, good evening.
Twister. I hope you're off now. I heard everything up to the point of TJ border. DW's got me on lockdown over here, buddy. You have yourself a good one? Man, it's good hearing your voice on the radio again, man. You used to be a staple in it for years, and then you disappeared when you went up to South Dakota. Always a pleasure hearing you in my radio. My friend, 24/7 Twister, Bean. I'm back on the border, and I'm 10-7 shutting down. I'll see you guys. Bye.
How about it? JB, turn 49 right around 10
Hey, 172, I'm going to jump in here and wave your ring. You caught me before I had the headphones off. You ain't even calling me, but I hear you out there. I'm sure you hear me. I'm waiting.
I think I heard 0175. 0175, shouting to the wall. I want to be tired and sexy. She sounds good. You're yours. 65, Saturday, Mountain.
Well, I got the best on you, Slim, but I hear you in there. You definitely said it enough times for me to get it right. Slim Jim, my Zello friend, your Bean in the Southwest with the waves.
Two pill,